Hello, my name is Shikha and I work for BMC Atrium Orchestrator product. This is part 1 of 6-part video series where I would like to talk about the installation of BAO 7901. This video series focuses on the graphical installation on Windows platform and will be covering complete installation process. So let's get started.
Before starting the actual installation, we need to take care of few prerequisites. First, you have to download and copy the installer files from the BMC product download page onto the desired server. In the following list of files, we can see there is one file, that is BMC Remedy Single Sign-On, which is optional because BA allows you to install RSSO as an embedded solution or as an external instance. We'll discuss this in detail in upcoming slides. Next, DEP, that is Data Execution Prevention and Terminal Services, must be configured to recognize the installation program. Lastly, make sure the user who is performing the installation has administrative privileges. Starting BAO 7.9, RSSO has been introduced as an authentication mechanism. It provides single sign-on and single sign-off capability for users of different BMC products. Users needs to provide their credentials only once and subsequently it will be automatically authenticated by all the BAO components that is integrated using RSSO. From BMC Atrium Orchestrator platform version 7.9 supports the use of embedded or external remedy single sign-on. In BAO, RSSO can be implemented using two approaches. One can either opt for installing RSSO as an external instance or as an embedded install with BAO components. Let's discuss each scenario in detail. In scenario 1, we are discussing about external RSSO. In this, you need to install a supported version of Remedy SSO on a separate server before installing BAO platform components. During the external Remedy SSO installation, you are prompted to choose a database type. To use Remedy SSO with BMC Atrium Orchestrator platform, choose external database like Oracle, SQL, etc. Once external RSSO is installed, you need to install BAO component on different server and ensure all the components are pointing to the same external RSSO. Let's discuss about scenario 2, that is where we are using embedded RSSO. This option is available for selection when you install the BAO platform component, that is repository, CDP and HACDP. In this setup, during installation, RSSO is bundled with each BAO component and there is no need to install it separately. Once installed, we need to configure Enterprise Service Bus to perform user account syncing. Basically, this ensured that any user account changes made on one RSSO instance are synced across all available RSSO instances within other BAO components. By the end of this video series, we'll be setting up a BAO 7901 environment and we'll be covering the installation of repository, CDP, HACDP, OCP, Development Studio, and BAO Content 2016-03. Lastly, we'll configure Service Bus for syncing of data between multiple embedded RSSO instances. In the next part of this video series, we'll do a quick demo to see this in action.